In this video, I will tell you that what is limit order and how we can use limit order for the buy purpose and the sell purpose. What is the difference between the limit order and market order? So the limit order and the market order functionality is same on any exchange. So if you are using Binance, KuCoin, OKX exchange or any exchange, limit order functionality will be same. So if you understand that how we can use the limit order, then you can use on any exchange. So let's start our video. I have opened the Binance application on my cell phone and currently these are coins which are in my list. For example, I want to use limit order on Dogecoin. Alright, now let's come on the buy. So by default you can see the limit order is already selected. If it is not selected by default, you can click on here and select limit order. You can use the limit order for both buying and sell. So let me explain that how we can use for the buy purpose. So for the buy purpose, so for example, if you want to use limit order to purchase Dogecoin, now here you have to type the price in which price you want to buy this coin. For example, if coin price drop to 6000, then this coin will be purchased. Or I can say that if this coin price decreased to 0.555, then buy Dogecoin for $100. Currently I don't have $100. So here you have to just give the price that in which price you want to buy this coin. That's all. And how much coin you want to buy. You have to give USDT price here. Similarly, if you want to use limit order for the sell purpose, you have to set price here. Because I am not using Binance application all the time. So I want to say if the price coin increase to 0.6500 like this, alright, 0.6500, then this coin should be sold out automatically. Now what I say, now I have set the price 0.06500. now when the price of this coin reaches on the 0.06500, then sell all my USDT. You can sell 50%, 75%, 100%, or you can type whatever you want to sell. So here you just have to give the greater price than the current price, just like 7.00. Now here you can see that when the price coin reaches to 0.07000, then all my coins will be sold out and I will get 229 USDT. Here you can see that how much USDT you will get. For example, if I say sell all my coins on 0.800, so I will get 262. Similarly, if I say 0.1, then I will get $328 and you have to click on sell. So here you can see our limit order placed. Currently I am cancelling all orders. So in this way you can use limit order for the buy purpose and for the sell purpose. If suddenly price drops just like 0.600, so for this purpose you have to use a stop limit. So I have already created a stop limit video. You can get the link from the description. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials like this. Now what is market order? Let me show you. Click on market. So the market order is simply buy the coin or sell the coin in the market price. For example, I want to buy $50 USD now. So when you select the market order, you will get $50 on the current price. Similarly, if you place order on the sell, your coin will be sold out on the market price and instantly you will get USDT. So I hope you understand the limit order and market order. See you in the next video.